Hey guys, this tutorial will show you how to integrate Wemail with WP ERP CRM module so you can import all your contacts available in WP ERP CRM's module as your email subscribers. But first, make sure you have the WP ERP plugin installed. Then, go to Integration of the Wemail side menu and click on WP ERP. As you can see, enabling auto import will allow you to import new contacts as Wemail subscribers and keep them in sync. Enabling the import contacts with CRM contact groups means that Wemail will create lists from the CRM groups. Then, it will import contacts in those lists. If it is turned off, the default settings will be used. Lastly, enabling the default list will import all non-grouped contacts into the list you choose. You can also create a list in this drop-down list. Keep in mind that this very option will be used if the above option, the CRM group import settings, is turned off. Now click on the Sync button to sync all your existing CRM contacts. And that is how you can integrate Wemail with WP ERP CRM module to import all your contacts as your email subscribers. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.